Hello YouTubers, this is Eric from RC Monster Garage. This is kind of not really a review. This is a car that we are selling right now. It's a vehicle that I put together. It's a 1/8 scale, what I called RC short monster truck. It's a kind of a short course and a monster truck mixing one vehicle. I airbrushed the body. This is all paint, those are not sticker. The Monster Energy on the top, again, this is all in the paint. This is based on the Red Cat Racing Terremoto 1/8 scale. It's a pretty awesome truck and it's a one of a kind. I already set up the shocks and everything to set up the right way, so this is kind of gonna be for the RC collector if you want something that nobody else have. I trimmed the body in a certain way so it's gonna fit, and it's a very rare body. Actually, the body there is on it, it's not a 1/10 scale, it's a 1/8 scale short course truck that is in a special size to fit this vehicle. It's available right now at MotoStyles shop, RC Monster Garage. If you're interested, just hit us back on the remarks. It's going for $500. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive than just buying a regular Terremoto, but it's have a body that took about 2 weeks to paint. It's kind of nice and shiny, and you're gonna have the coolest truck on the street.